How to permanently delete messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You can view all your messages over here. On this page, press and hold the message you want to delete and swipe left. This will open up a confirmation section. Tap on the Delete option. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this message. Now, go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Here, tap on Show Recently Deleted. You can view all your recently deleted messages over here. Select the messages you want to permanently delete and then tap on Delete at the bottom left corner. Tap on the Delete message again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily and permanently delete messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.